A decision on the future of professional rugby in Wales is expected by the end of the month, but WalesOnline understands there is a stark divide among Welsh Rugby Union board members over the best way forward. In August, WRU Director of Rugby and Elite Performance Dave Reddin revealed the executive's preferred solution, a reduction from 4 professional clubs to 2 with significant central control. Following a month-long consultation with key stakeholders, the findings were presented to the WRU board, who are now expected to announce their decision imminently. A professional rugby board meeting was held on Wednesday, but it appears Wales's 4 clubs, Cardiff Dragons, Ospreys and Scarlets, were not informed of the WRU's intentions. High-level sources suggest the executive is now pushing for a 3-team model to be approved by the main board. Yet there remains a split among directors, with opinions ranging from maintaining 4 clubs to reducing to 3 or 2. Time is pressing. The WRU wants clarity before uncertainty affects players ahead of a challenging November schedule, where Steve Tandy's side face Argentina, Japan, New Zealand and South Africa. If consensus cannot be reached, a vote among the 12-strong board could be used to settle the matter. Members include CEO Abby Tierney, Chair Richard Collier-Keyword, PRB Chair Malcolm Wall, Independent Non-Executive Jennifer Mateus, Andrea Williams, Elias Thorne, Jamie Roberts and Amanda Bennett, along with elected members Claire Donovan, John Manders, Chris Jones and Colin Wilkes. Options under discussion include one club's owners buying Cardiff, potentially leading to a merger. Whatever route the WRU chooses, the road ahead is unlikely to be smooth. With tight deadlines and key stakeholders divided, the coming weeks will be crucial in shaping the professional game in Wales for years to come. The decisions made now could redefine the structure and competitiveness of Welsh rugby at its highest level.